Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open the app you need, then access Recents or use the gesture bar. Once the app appears, long press its icon and select Split Screen. This places that app in the top pane. Do this because it pins the first app immediately, preventing accidental app swaps. Make sure to act quickly so the second app can be placed in the empty pane. This immediate step guarantees a stable first window, and it reduces fumbling when you bring the second app into view. Once done, pick the second app from Recents or the app drawer and tap it to occupy the bottom pane. You'll see a divider between windows. Drag it to set 1/4, 1/2, or a larger primary view depending on your task. Make sure to use drag and drop for text, links, or images. This is faster than copy-paste. Also, note some apps adapt differently. If an app resizes poorly, try landscape or switch the primary pane. These steps let you work in two apps seamlessly. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap home to return to a single app. That completes the session. Once done, close the unwanted app from Recents to prevent accidental re-entry. If something goes wrong, an app won't open in split screen, clear it from Recents and reopen or restart the phone. This resets transient issues. Make sure to check app compatibility, because some apps intentionally disable split view. If so, use an alternative app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.